Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about operators that are is and changes to. And why we are talking about only these two operators? Because this is an interview question which has been asked in ServiceNow interview by the interviewee. Although it will depend upon the scenarios or the use cases which will be given by the interviewee, that which is the correct operator to use. So it all depends upon the requirements, when to use the is operator and when to use the changes to operator. Let's listen to this story. So what happened? There was a requirement about sending a notification when a particular record is in this state. So what happened is that the development for that notification has been done and it moved to the production, but it got accelerated. Why? Because there was multiple notifications sending out for that particular record. And why that is happened? Exactly because of the wrong use of operator in the condition of notification. So let's see an example. We will try to duplicate that particular use case here. For this we are going to take a use case that a notification has to go out from ServiceNow instance when a particular incident is in progress state, and a notification will go to the requester, means the caller of that particular incident. So let's see the demo of it. For the demo purpose, we had already created the notification. So let's quickly overview the notification. This is our notification. The name of the notification is to incident caller. It applies to the incident table. It will be sent when the incident record is inserted or it is updated. And the condition is the state is in progress. Okay, so when all these conditions are matched, then this notification will be gone out from the system. Who will be receiving? It will be received by the caller and the one who is creating the event. What it will contain? It will contain the information that the incident state is in progress, the work has been started. This will be the subject line, which we are going to see in the emails log. This was the overview of the notification. Now let's quickly create the incident and see what was the issue. Means what is the issue of using this is operator here. So let's quickly go back to the ServiceNow page, click on all. With the help of filter navigator, open the incident form. Okay, our incident form is loaded. Now we are going to fill up all the mandatory fields and save the incident. So let's fill up the caller. Okay, short description, test, notification, assignment group, incident, management, assign to incident manager. Okay, now we have filled all the mandatory fields. And one more information, there is a save as a draft button. So if you have not watched the video of how to save a form without filling up all the mandatory fields, then do watch that video. That will be very beneficial for you if you want to save the form without filling up all the mandatory fields. So this is the particular UI action that is helping you to save the form without filling up the mandatory fields. So do watch the video. The link for the video is given in the description, or also you can click on I icon. Now let's quickly save this incident record, and once we save the incident record, you will see that state will change from new to in progress. And as you remember that we have a condition when the incident record is inserted and the state is in progress, then this particular notification has to go out from the ServiceNow system. Okay, so let's go back to the incident and save it. Once we save it, you will see the state change to in progress. Now we are going to cross check whether our notification has gone out or not. So go back to the ServiceNow, click on all, write in filter navigator, emails, open this emails module and you can see that there are 3 emails which are gone out of ServiceNow instance. So 2 of them are out of box and one is custom email which is created by us. So this is the one, the second one is created by us. As you can see that what it will contain, the subject is works started with incident and incident number. So this is our particular email. Okay, now let's see what is the issue. What is the issue will happen. So if we go back to the incident to record, the same record, and we change something like subcategory to email and we save it, what's going to happen? And if we refresh the emails log, and you can see that there is one more email that has gone to the caller, again notifying the same thing, that the work has started and the incident is in progress, which is not necessary because the caller has been already identified by that thing. So that is the main problem with using the is operator in the condition. Okay, if we update it again, if we try to do something else, internet applications, and we save it, and if we go back to the emails log, refresh the list, you will see there is one more email going to the caller saying the same thing, and which is absolutely not good. Okay, so that's why we use changes to instead of is. So if we use changes to, we save it, and we have to clear all this emails log so that you will know what we are talking about. This, okay, our notification is updated. Now we are going to quickly create one more incident and you will see what is the difference in using is and changes to operator. So we are going to open the incident record again. Fill up the mandatory fields. Now we are going to save this incident. Just remember the incident number. Go back to the emails. Right now there is no records, and if we refresh the list, you will see 3 emails. 2 of them are out of box and one of them is custom notification. So this is the one which is notifying the caller that the work is started on your incident and it's in progress. Now if someone made changes to this particular incident, there will be another email going out to the caller identifying the same thing about the incident is in progress. So let's update it and check it. Save. Now go back to the emails, refresh it. No. Refresh the emails log again. No. One more time. No. So there is only one email which was the requirement to send a particular email to the caller when the incident is in progress. Okay, and now if you make another change to incident and save it, come back to the emails log, refresh the list, you will see there will be no more emails or similar emails will be going out to the caller. This was the main difference between using is operator or changes to operator. Hopefully you got an idea when to use is and when to use changes to operator. For the demo purpose, we have took the incident form example and notification related to the incident. But in real practical examples, the action can be anything. It does not only depend upon the notifications. So at the last, it all depends upon the requirements. What is the requirement? Whether the particular action has to be done multiple times or it has to be done only one time. So if it's a multiple time actions, then choose to use is operator instead of changes to. And if it's a single time action, then use the changes to operator. Okay, always remember at the last, it all depends upon the requirements. So this was the end of the video. If you have any suggestions or feedbacks regarding the videos, then do write it down in a comment. Until then, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.